Are you considering venturing into livestock farming but unsure whether to choose goats or sheep? Both options have their unique advantages, but which one will give you the best bang for your buck? In this video, we'll break down the costs, market demand, and potential profits of goat farming versus sheep farming to help you decide. Stick around. This could be the insight you need to start a thriving business. Why compare goat farming to sheep farming? Livestock farming is an excellent way to diversify income, but not all animals are created equal when it comes to profitability. Goats and sheep are among the most popular choices, each with its own set of benefits and challenges. Whether you're looking to produce milk, meat, or wool, or just want an easy-to-manage herd, this comparison will help you understand which option is best for you. Number 1. Initial investment. Which costs more? Starting any farming operation involves upfront expenses. When it comes to goats and sheep, the costs can vary depending on your location and goals. Goats. Purchasing a goat can cost anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on the breed. Goats are versatile. They can be raised for milk, meat, or fiber, making them a flexible investment. Sheep. Sheep tend to be slightly less expensive up front, with prices ranging between $75 and $300 per animal. They're often raised for meat, wool, or both. When comparing costs, goats may require sturdier fencing, as they're notorious escape artists. On the other hand, sheep are easier to contain, but may need more pasture space. Number 2. Feeding and maintenance costs. Feeding your animals is one of the most significant ongoing expenses. Goats. Goats are browsers, meaning they eat shrubs, leaves, and weeds. This makes them great for land clearing. They don't require large pastures and can thrive in smaller spaces, reducing feed costs if natural browse is available. However, they do need quality hay during off-seasons. Sheep. Sheep are grazers and prefer grass, so they need more pasture space. While they're less selective eaters than goats, feeding them may cost more if you don't have ample pasture land. In terms of maintenance, both animals require regular health checks, vaccinations, and parasite control. But goats are generally more resilient to disease. Number 3. Breeding and reproduction. Breeding is where things start to get interesting in terms of profitability. Goats, female goats or does, can give birth twice a year, usually producing twins or triplets. This rapid reproduction rate can significantly boost your herd size in a short amount of time. Sheep. Sheep usually give birth once a year, with 1 or 2 lambs per birth. While their reproduction rate is slower than goats, sheep are often considered easier to breed because they are less prone to complications during lambing. If you're looking to expand your herd quickly, goats have the edge. Number 4. Products and market demand. The profitability of your farm heavily depends on what products you want to sell and the market demand for them. Goat farming products. Goats are incredibly versatile animals, offering products that cater to various markets. Goat milk is highly prized for its digestibility and nutritional value, making it an excellent alternative for people who are lactose intolerant. It is widely used to produce specialty dairy products such as cheese, butter, and yogurt, which fetch premium prices in health-conscious markets. Goat meat, also known as chevron, is in high demand globally due to its unique flavor and lean protein content, often selling at higher prices per pound compared to lamb. Additionally, certain goat breeds, such as Angora goats, produce mohair, a luxurious, silky fiber valued in the fashion and textile industries. Goats are well suited for diverse production systems, and their ability to thrive on minimal resources makes them a profitable option for farmers looking to maximize income through multiple product streams. Sheep farming products. Sheep are known for their valuable contributions to the wool, meat, and dairy industries. Wool production is a primary focus for many sheep farmers, with merino wool being particularly sought after for its softness and high quality. Wool has applications in clothing, textiles, and insulation, offering steady income for producers. In addition to wool, sheep meat, lamb, and mutton is a culinary staple in many cultures, especially during festive seasons, making it a reliable source of profit. While the demand for lamb tends to be seasonal, it is consistently strong in specific markets. Sheep milk, although less common than goat milk, is highly valued for its rich flavor and is used to produce gourmet cheeses like feta, ricotta, and manchego. Farmers focusing on sheep benefit from a well-established market for these products, making sheep farming a sustainable and profitable enterprise. Number 5. Market trends. What's selling? Right now. Global market trends play a huge role in deciding which animal brings in more profit. Goat farming. The demand for goat milk and meat is growing, particularly in urban areas and among health-conscious consumers. Goat farming is also more sustainable due to the animal's smaller environmental footprint. Sheep farming. The wool industry has seen a decline in some areas due to the rise of synthetic fibers, but there's still a niche market for high-quality wool. Lamb meat remains popular in many cultures, especially during religious and festive seasons. If you're targeting a market with growing demand for dairy or meat, goats might be the better choice. Number 6. Challenges you should consider. No farming venture is without its challenges. Goat challenges. Goats are notorious for being escape artists, often finding their way out of enclosures if the fencing isn't secure enough. This means you'll need to invest in sturdy, sometimes higher fences to keep them contained. They also have a unique digestive system, which makes them prone to nutritional imbalances if not fed properly. A poor diet can lead to health issues like digestive disorders or stunted growth, requiring careful attention to their feeding routine and nutritional needs. Sheep challenges. Sheep are more vulnerable to predators, including coyotes, wolves, and even dogs, making proper fencing and protection essential. In addition to predators, sheep are sensitive to extreme weather conditions, particularly in cold or wet climates, which can lead to illnesses like pneumonia. Wool production, while profitable, requires additional labor. Sheep need to be sheared once a year, a process that can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, especially if you're handling a large flock. Proper care and maintenance are crucial for keeping them healthy. Number 7. Environmental impact. Goats are often considered more environmentally friendly. They can thrive on rough terrain and don't require as much water or pasture land as sheep. Sheep, however, contribute significantly to the wool industry, which has its own ecological considerations. Number 8. Profitability. Breakdown, numbers don't lie. Let's put everything into perspective with some numbers. A single goat can produce up to 1,800 pounds of milk per year, which can be sold fresh or used to make value-added products. Goat meat can fetch $12 to $20 per pound in some markets. Sheep produce around 5 to 10 pounds of wool annually, with high-quality wool fetching $2 to $4 per pound. Lamb meat typically sells for $6 to $10 per pound. While both can be profitable, goats have the edge in milk and meat production, whereas sheep are ideal for wool-focused farms. Which one should you choose? The final decision boils down to your goals, resources, and market. Choose goats if you're looking for a versatile animal that can produce milk, meat, and fiber while thriving in smaller spaces. Choose sheep if you have ample pasture land and want to focus on wool production or seasonal meat sales. In the end, both goat farming and sheep farming have the potential to be profitable ventures. Your choice should align with your goals, resources, and market demand. Remember, success in farming comes from proper planning, consistent effort, and understanding your animal's needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on farming and agriculture. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy farming.